Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 23, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. Column E, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the two cells. Column G, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then second grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the two cells. Column G, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 8th grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 2. 5th row, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the two cells. 6th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 4. 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 6th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 6th row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, and 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 9th row and 10th row, we have 5. Column J also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 3rd row and 4th row, we have 5. Column J, column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 8. 2nd row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 9th grade, we have 8. And 4th row and 2nd row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 3rd row, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 3, 4. Column I, we have 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 2nd row and 3rd row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column H, column J, and 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 8 also here. Column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column I, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come here another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 1, 4. Column B, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column D, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 3rd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 3rd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 2nd row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 3rd row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.